Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Angelina Dcosta, and today I want to talk about something very important for men over the age of 60. As we grow older, our bodies go through natural changes, energy levels begin to dip, sleep becomes lighter, and many men notice a decline in stamina and overall vitality. These changes are normal, but they don't have to control your life. Nighttime is the most crucial period for recovery. This is when your body repairs itself, restores energy, and balances essential hormones. Unfortunately, many men don't get the deep, restful sleep their body truly needs. This lack of recovery can lead to fatigue, low confidence, and poor health over time. That's why paying extra attention to your nighttime routine, especially the nutrients you give your body before bed, can make all the difference. In this session, I'll share with you one powerful vitamin that supports potency, vigor, and deep sleep naturally, helping men over 60 feel strong and revitalized again. As men cross the age of 60, certain health challenges begin to appear more often. One of the most common issues is trouble with sleep. Many men find themselves waking up multiple times during the night or struggling to fall asleep at all. Poor sleep not only affects energy levels, but also slows down the body's ability to recover and heal. Another common concern is fatigue. Even after a full night's rest, men often wake up feeling tired, drained, or lacking motivation. This constant tiredness can make daily activities more difficult and affect overall confidence. Along with this comes a gradual decline in vitality and stamina. Simple tasks may take longer, workouts feel harder, and energy for social or personal life decreases. These changes are natural with aging, but they don't have to take away your quality of life. Understanding these challenges is the first step toward finding safe, natural solutions that restore strength, vigor, and peace of mind. As men move past the age of 60, the body's nutritional needs change. The same diet and lifestyle that once felt enough may no longer provide the strength, energy, and balance required to stay healthy. This is where vitamins play a crucial role. They act as the body's natural support system, filling in the gaps that aging often creates. Vitamins help maintain healthy circulation, bone strength, brain clarity, and hormone balance. For men, this means better stamina, sharper memory, stronger immunity, and more consistent energy throughout the day. Certain vitamins also play a key role in improving sleep quality, which is essential for recovery and vitality. The truth is, no single food can always meet these needs every day. That's why being mindful about vitamin intake, whether through food or safe supplements, becomes one of the smartest steps men over 60 can take. With the right vitamins, it's possible to feel younger, more energetic, and better prepared to enjoy life to the fullest. Now let's talk about the one vitamin that can truly make a difference for men over 60 when taken at night: vitamin D. Many people associate vitamin D only with sunlight, but what most don't realize is how important it is for overall men's health, especially after 60. Vitamin D supports bone strength, muscle function, hormone balance, and immune health. But here's something even more powerful. Studies have shown that healthy vitamin D levels are linked to better sleep quality and deeper rest. When your body has enough of this vitamin, it helps regulate your natural sleep-wake cycle, allowing you to fall asleep faster and wake up feeling refreshed. For men, vitamin D also plays a role in maintaining testosterone levels, vitality, and stamina. Taking it at night with a light meal or healthy fat source helps your body absorb it more effectively, giving you steady support while you sleep. So if you've been struggling with fatigue, low energy, or restless nights, adding vitamin D to your nighttime routine can be a simple, natural step toward restoring potency, vigor, and deep sleep. Now, you may be wondering, how can one simple vitamin, like vitamin D, have such a big impact on potency and vigor? The answer lies in how it works inside the body. Vitamin D plays a key role in hormone regulation, especially testosterone, which is directly linked to strength, stamina, and male vitality. When testosterone levels are low, men often notice fatigue, reduced drive, and a drop in physical performance. By supporting healthy hormone balance, vitamin D helps the body restore energy, confidence, and endurance naturally. It also improves blood circulation and muscle function, which are essential for maintaining physical strength and vitality. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles and organs, keeping you active and energized. On top of that, vitamin D reduces inflammation and strengthens the immune system, allowing your body to recover faster after physical activity or daily stress. This combination of hormone balance, strong circulation, and quick recovery gives men the natural boost they need to feel younger, stronger, and more confident again. One of the most powerful effects of vitamin D for men over 60 is how it supports deep sleep and relaxation. Many men, at this stage of life, find it harder to fall asleep or stay asleep through the night. Poor rest can leave you tired, irritable, and drained of energy the next day. Vitamin D helps by working with the brain's sleep-regulating system. It influences the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for guiding your body's sleep-wake cycle. When vitamin D levels are balanced, melatonin is released more effectively, allowing you to fall asleep naturally and stay asleep longer. Quality sleep also means better recovery of muscles, improved mood, and sharper mental focus. Instead of tossing and turning at night, your body can use those hours to heal, recharge, and prepare for the next day. And when you wake up after a restful night's sleep, you'll notice more energy, calmer nerves, and renewed confidence. This is why adding the right vitamin at night is such a simple yet powerful step toward healthier aging and greater vitality. When it comes to getting enough vitamin D, many men believe sunlight is the only source. While spending time outdoors is helpful, after the age of 60, the body's ability to produce vitamin D from sunlight naturally decreases. That's why it becomes even more important to look at food sources that can help you meet your daily needs. Some of the best natural sources include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These not only provide vitamin D, but also supply healthy omega-3 fats that support heart and brain health. Egg yolks are another excellent choice, offering a natural boost of vitamin D, along with protein and essential nutrients. Fortified foods, such as milk, cereals, and orange juice, are also widely available and can help maintain healthy levels. For men who enjoy mushrooms, certain types, especially those exposed to sunlight, are a plant-based source of vitamin D. Including a mix of these foods in your daily meals ensures your body gets consistent support. Combined with safe supplementation when needed, these sources help men over 60 maintain strength, energy, and restful sleep without relying on heavy medications. For many men over 60, getting enough vitamin D through food and sunlight alone can be difficult. That's where supplements come in as a safe and effective option. But choosing the right supplement is just as important as taking it. When looking for a vitamin D supplement, the best choice is usually vitamin D3, as it is more effective in raising and maintaining healthy levels in the body compared to D2. Taking it in soft gel or liquid form, with a small amount of healthy fat, such as nuts, seeds, or olive oil, can improve absorption. However, not all supplements are created equal. It's best to avoid products that contain unnecessary fillers, artificial colors, or extremely high doses that may not be safe without a doctor's guidance. Always check the label and choose trusted brands that are third-party tested for quality. It's also important to remember that more is not always better. A safe, moderate dose, as recommended by your healthcare provider, will give you the benefits without any risks. By making smart choices, vitamin D supplementation can become a simple yet powerful step toward restoring your vitality, strength, and deep sleep. To get the full benefits of vitamin D for potency, vigor, and deep sleep, it's not enough to just take a supplement occasionally. What really makes a difference is following a simple, consistent daily routine that supports your body in every way. For men over 60, even small lifestyle changes can bring powerful results when practiced daily. Start your morning with gentle movement. This could be a 20 minutes walk outside, some light stretching, or yoga. Moving your body in the morning wakes up your muscles, boosts circulation, and helps improve mood. If you get some sunlight during this time, you'll also give your body a natural boost of vitamin D, which supports bone strength, hormones, and energy levels. Next, focus on balanced nutrition. Include vitamin D-rich foods like eggs, fatty fish such as salmon or sardines, and fortified milk or cereals. Pairing these with fresh vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats ensures your body gets the nutrients it needs for energy and recovery. Staying hydrated throughout the day with water and herbal teas also supports overall vitality. In the afternoon, try to stay lightly active. Avoid sitting for too long, take short breaks, stretch, or enjoy hobbies that keep you moving. Physical activity, even in small amounts, helps your body use nutrients more efficiently and keeps your energy steady. As evening approaches, aim for lighter meals that are easy to digest. Avoid heavy, fried, or processed foods late at night, as these can interfere with sleep quality. Around 1 hour before bed, take your vitamin D supplement, with a small, healthy snack like a few nuts, avocado slices, or a spoon of olive oil. The healthy fats will help your body absorb the vitamin more effectively. Equally important is building a relaxing bedtime routine. Dim the lights, switch off electronic devices, and give yourself quiet time to unwind. Simple practices like deep breathing, reading a calming book, or listening to soft music signal your body that it's time to rest. This routine allows vitamin D to do its work during sleep, supporting hormone balance, muscle recovery, and mental clarity. By following this simple structure, movement in the morning, balanced nutrition during the day, light meals in the evening, and a calm night routine, you'll maximize the benefits of vitamin D. Over time, you'll notice improved energy, deeper sleep, stronger vitality, and renewed confidence in your daily life. Beyond vitamins and nutrition, lifestyle habits play a powerful role in keeping men over 60 healthy, strong, and energetic. Small, consistent choices each day can make a big difference in your stamina, sleep quality, and overall well-being. One of the most important habits is regular physical activity. This doesn't have to mean heavy workouts at the gym. Gentle exercises like walking, swimming, yoga, or even light strength training are enough to keep muscles strong, bones healthy, and circulation active. Movement also boosts mood and keeps the mind sharp. Another essential tip is to stay hydrated. Many men overlook water intake, but dehydration can cause fatigue, poor focus, and even muscle weakness. Aim for steady sips of water throughout the day, and add herbal teas for additional relaxation and digestive support. Stress management is another key factor. High stress levels can interfere with sleep, lower energy, and affect hormone balance. Simple techniques like deep breathing, meditation, prayer, or even spending time in nature can reduce stress and bring calmness to both mind and body. Diet also matters. Reducing processed foods, excess sugar, and alcohol can improve energy and sleep quality. Instead, focus on fresh vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats that support heart health and keep the body nourished. Maintaining social connections is equally valuable. Spending time with family, friends, or joining community activities keeps the mind engaged and provides emotional support. Loneliness can drain energy, while positive relationships strengthen mental and emotional health. Lastly, don't underestimate the value of routine health checkups. Regular screenings and doctor visits can help catch potential issues early and give you peace of mind. When combined with good nutrition, supplements, movement, and rest, this ensures you stay in control of your health. By adding these simple lifestyle tips, movement, hydration, stress care, clean nutrition, strong social bonds, and regular checkups, you create a solid foundation for long-lasting vitality. Along with vitamin D, these habits give men over 60 the power to age with strength, confidence, and a sense of peace. As we come to the end of this session, I want to leave you with some final thoughts and encouragement. Life after 60 is often seen as a slowing down phase, but in reality, it can be a time of renewed strength, wisdom, and vitality if you take care of yourself in the right way. Age is not the end of energy or vigor, it's simply a new chapter, where smart habits matter more than ever. Throughout this discussion, we explored the role of one simple vitamin, vitamin D, and how it supports men's health by improving sleep, boosting stamina, and enhancing overall vitality. But the bigger message is this: good health is built step by step. Small, consistent actions taken daily can completely transform how you feel. When you focus on your nighttime routine, choose the right nutrition, stay active, and manage stress, you are giving your body the tools it needs to remain strong and resilient. Remember, the body has an amazing ability to heal and restore itself, even at 60, 70, or beyond. The key is to provide it with the right support through vitamins, food, rest, and positive habits. It's also important to remind yourself that your journey is unique. Don't compare yourself to younger men, or even to your own younger self. Instead, focus on progress. Ask yourself, am I sleeping better than I did last month? Do I have more energy than I did last year? Am I taking small steps toward better health? When you begin noticing even small improvements, you'll find the motivation to keep going. Another crucial point is to stay positive. A strong mindset is just as important as strong muscles. Believe that you can improve, that your energy can return, and that your best years are not behind you but still ahead. This mindset fuels consistency and makes healthy routines enjoyable, rather than burdensome. Surround yourself with encouragement, whether from family, friends, or communities like this one. Support keeps you accountable and reminds you that you are not alone in this journey. Every man over 60 faces similar challenges, but those who take proactive steps often enjoy longer, healthier, and more fulfilling lives. So, let this be your reminder: age is not a barrier. With the right vitamin support, healthy food choices, daily activity, proper rest, and a calm, positive mindset, you can continue to feel energetic, confident, and strong. Take today as a starting point. Make one small change tonight, perhaps adding vitamin D to your evening routine or setting aside 10 minutes for relaxation before bed. These little actions, repeated every day, add up to big results over time. Your health, your vitality, and your confidence are still in your hands. Choose wisely, stay consistent, and believe in the strength within you. A stronger, healthier, and more vibrant version of yourself is possible, and it begins with the choices you make today. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more health tips, and share this video with your friends and family. Stay healthy, and take care. Thanks for watching.